Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this TOSCIDO X109 tablet, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, we gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The fastest way to do that is to swipe down from the top in order for the notification and control center to appear. Here, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Tap and hold. At the Wi-Fi settings menu, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Tap on it. At the network details page, tap on the share icon. And here you'll see that the Wi-Fi password will be displayed right below this QR code. So it's hard reset. So from here you have like two options. You can either manually find this Wi-Fi network on the device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with and manually enter the password, or you can just take this device, in my case it's going to be this Nokia Android smartphone, and scan this QR code in order for it to be automatically connected. So I'll use the built-in Google Lens in order for me to be able to scan this QR code. So I'll open up the camera, go for the Google Lens. Here I'll frame the QR code. Take the picture of it, and once it gets recognized, you will be presented with this Join Network button. Tap on it, and as you can see right now, our Nokia device has been successfully connected to the HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Bye!